In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear recent in Google Drive. When you open Google Drive, you'll usually land on the My Drive page, where all of your main folders and files live. But Google Drive also keeps a history of the files you've opened or edited recently, and it shows those in a section called Recent. This can be handy, but sometimes you might not want other people using your device to see what you've been working on, or you just want to tidy things up. That's where clearing the Recent section comes in. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Then make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile icon in the top right corner so you don't accidentally work in the wrong drive. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the left-hand side panel. You'll see options like My Drive, Computers, Shared with Me, and below those, you should see an option labeled Recent. Go ahead and click on Recent. This opens a page that shows a list of files you've opened, edited, or interacted with recently, regardless of which folder they're stored in. Here, you'll notice that Google Drive is not actually storing separate copies of these files in Recent. Think of it more like a shortcut view, or a history view. Clearing items from Recent does not delete the files themselves from your drive. It simply removes them from this history list. This is important if you're worried about losing anything. To clear specific items from your Recent view, move your mouse over the file you want to remove. You'll see it highlight and a small set of icons will appear, or you can right-click on the file. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Remove from Recent or something similar, depending on your interface. Click that. The file disappears from the Recent list, but it still remains safely stored in its original folder in My Drive. If you want to clean up multiple items at once, you can select several files by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each file. Once they're all selected, right-click and choose Remove from Recent to clear them in one go. After you've finished, you can refresh the page to confirm that the items are gone from the Recent section. Remember, the actual files are still in your drive. You've just cleaned up your activity view, so it's a bit more private and organized.